Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Allure beauty box for August. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my Allure beauty box for August just arrived and I'm really excited to see what we're going to have. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have this month. I have no clue at all anything that's supposed to be in here, so we're gonna find out right about now. So when you first open up the box, that's what you see right there. They always have the pamphlet. Here's a gorgeous girl on the front of it right there. And it does go over the products inside and give you the full size price, but not everything inside is full size products. When you open it up, that is what it looks like this month. There's the presentation. So let's go ahead and see what products we have. So the first thing right here, it says the famous black soap. And I think I received one of these, and I think it was an advent calendar. It was a full size product, or might have been, yeah, it might have been the Easter one from Look Fantastic. I'm not sure. I did receive a full size of this, and it came in like a really cool little plastic box. I even kept the box because I thought it was really neat, but I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but that is what it looks like right there. It's that brand right there. And here is a bar of soap. Let me see. It's a deep cleaning sea mud bar. And I don't know if they're gonna consider this the full size, because again, I've had a big bar, a full size bar. That says $38. So I'm not sure if this is the full size or not, but it is an all black bar like that. So here's the first item. The second item is right here. It's by Wish. It says Botanical Primer, Skin Balancing, Reduces Environmental Stress. And so for this guy right here, the full size product would be $44. And you can get it at wishbody.com and use Allure25 at checkout to get 25% off through October 1st of 2020. So this is you get to try this out. This is like a trial size. And if you like it, then you can buy the full size and use the code to save money even. Sounds like a watery substance in there, like obviously, but it sounds really watery for a primer. So there's the second item right there. So next we have is by Floss, and it says Brighten Up Highlighter. The full size product on this would be $20. And this is the packaging. And I don't know if they're gonna consider this a full size or not. If it is, then this would be $20. You can use code Allure20 at checkout for 20% off through October 31st at flossitup.com. And when you open it up, there is the highlighter right there. So there's the third item. Now we have is a First Care Activating Serum. The full size is $84, and it would be a big bottle like that. So let's see what this trial size looks like inside. How cute, it looks almost just like the big bottle, but smaller. So there's that, and you can try out this activating serum. If you like it, then you can buy the full size for $84. There's not a coupon code for that one, but it says you can buy it at Sephora. And yeah, I like being able to try things first before spending the money and investing in a full-size product. So that's why I really like this box, but you get some cool full-size products as well. So this one says H2O Plus Hydrating Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. And this one, the full size would be like this big jar right here. And the full size would be $42. And it says you can buy it at h2oplus.com. Use code Allure15 to get 15% off now through September 30th. And that's what this looks like right there. We still have two more items in here, you guys. Ooh, we have a Pixie by Petra. We have a skincare product. I see the word rose and I'm gonna pretend like I don't see that word rose. because I have been dying to try one of their skincare, something from their skincare line. And I see on their Instagram, they're always posting really neat pictures of a lot of different skincare that I've never tried before. So I'm really excited to see this in here, even though it says rose. I'm gonna smell it. If it smells like the nasty artificial rose, then I'm gonna have to pass. But I'm really excited because I want to try this product. Like, you guys don't even know, I've been really dying to try their skincare line. So let's see. This right here has got to be the full size. It says that it's a 1.1 and this is, or one fluid ounce, 30 mil. That's what this is. So this is the full size product and it's $24. You can buy it at pixiebeauty.com and you can enter PIXIX Allure 15, like Pixie and Allure 15 at checkout to receive 15% off your order, excluding Pixie Pretties, sale items, and kits and gift sets. But everything else, I guess, would be 15% off now through October 31st. So let's see here. So when you open it up, there's the dropper that's not already in the bottle. So let's see. So there's that. All right, you guys. I don't smell, oh. I don't smell anything. Maybe because the cap is still on. That might be why. Okay, there goes the rose. Let me see. There's a little on here. Ugh, yeah, I can't do it. No, I'm not gonna be able to do it. So I'll probably give this to like a family member. But dang it. I'm gonna need to find something that's not from the rose line so I can try them out one day, but I'm not gonna do it. I know I'm just gonna end up developing a really bad migraine and that's not gonna be worth it to me. So there's that. All right, so then the last item in here is a face mask. This looks really neat packaging. And I love me some face masks. So this I am definitely going to use. And this guy is valued at $3. They're $3 each. You can use code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order now through October 31st. And the website would be LOOKSNMEIIUSA.com. And there's that. Looks and me, I guess, like down there, looks and MEII. How neat. I love that packaging though, and I love skincare and I love sheet masks. So going over this beauty box, we have the face sheet face mask, the sheet face mask, face sheet mask. We have the face mask. We have the Pixie by Petra Rose Oil Blended. I didn't even tell you guys what in the world this was. I was so excited. Nourishing face oil. So it's a face oil. Rose Oil Blend Face Oil. We have that. That's valued at $25, which that's $10 over this entire box, and you get free shipping. So you get to try out this H2O Plus Moisturizer. You have a floss highlighter. You have this right here. This is a balancing primer to test out. You have this face serum, and you have a black soap, charcoal soap, which this is a really good and expensive brand. So this was a really good box this month, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below, what did you think of the items in the box? Did you get Allure? Was there a variation or anything this month? I don't see an either or. Everything in this book is what I received. So looks like everybody should get the same type of product. If you got anything different, let me know. But it appears that everybody gets the same box this month. So that is everything. If you want to know, Allure Beauty is $15 a month with free shipping. and you always get a value typically between $50 to $80 is what they say, but sometimes it could be way more because one product alone you might get, which is valued higher than that. So I love my Allure Beauty. I won't ever complain because I love when we get the full size products or brand new products, never out yet, that kind of thing. So I love Allure Beauty, you guys. If you do want to check them out, I do have them linked below. And yeah, so definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty crew out.